I want to share with y'all something that I think would be a nice little something sweet for Memorial Day's meal. I think the kids will love it. I don't know about if the adults are having an adult beverage or not, and they may not want anything sweet, but the kids will love these. And an adult that's not drinking will love them too. So it's so super easy. I've got 3-ounce, let's see, it's 3.4 ounce box of instant pudding, and it's a cheesecake flavor. So make sure you get the one that says cheesecake. Okay. Now we're gonna use 2 cups of sour cream. You know what? It calls for a cup of milk too. I think I'm gonna go ahead and add the milk so that can start doing its magic on the pudding. But we're gonna come back and we're gonna mix all this with my electric mixer. Okay, now we need 2 cups of sour cream. Okay, and 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. And this container is exactly 2 cups. I mean, it's easy, y'all. It's real super easy. The only thing is, you can get it to a certain point and put it in the refrigerator. In fact, this is gonna have to go in the refrigerator and sit for 2 to 3 hours for it to get thick enough. But this really should be done. Like, you can make this part the day before, but then assemble it, you know, before your activities, before you go somewhere or the company comes in. And then just let it, and I'm gonna put these together in parfait glasses. So you know the children are gonna love that. So I'm gonna beat this until everything is smooth. And that may take a minute. All right, this looks very, very, very good. You wanna lick the beaters, Captain Grover? No. I know you do.
No, you probably leave
You just, I've got a teeth towel that says, a good mother always let her children lick the beaters. A great mama would turn them off before she let them lick them.
Yeah, unplug it.
Pretty good, isn't it? So, over the beaters, and I bet Hank won every time, didn't he?
He probably made me think I was winning.
All right. This is gonna go in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 hours until it's nice and chilled. And then we're gonna stack them up in our parfait glasses and top them with blueberries and raspberries because I want the theme to be like red, white, and blue for Memorial Day. Now our cream has been sitting in the refrigerator for a couple of hours, and I've got me a parfait glass. And like I said, if you're gonna have children around eating these, I would go to the dollar store and get plastic parfait glasses. That way, if they drop it, glass won't be involved. So I'm gonna start with just a little drop of the custard down in the parfait glass, and then a cookie. I'm using a vanilla wafer. If you're using homemade big cookies, then you can just crumble them up and put them in there. That would be good too. All right. So that was a little bigger drop. Now I'm going to put some fruit. And because I want the red, white, and blue theme going on, I'm using raspberries and blueberries. All right, let's see. Our parfait glass is getting bigger as we get closer to the top. So I'm going to take that second one and do like I said a minute ago and just crush it up. Because to me, the cookie part is so good. Now you can make this mixture ahead of time, the day before, and have it ready. And then put them together, you know, shortly before you're gonna plan to serve them. The raspberries are so pretty. But you know, as far as eating, I do love the blueberries. They taste so good. And you know, blueberries are supposed to be the best of all the berries for you. So see, it's gonna take 3 cookies now that we're at the top. That looks pretty good, doesn't it? I know some children that would eat it up very quickly. Now I just ran out to the garden and got a little sprig of mint. So, I mean, look how pretty that is. It looks like we've been working on it a long time. All right, I had a little cream on that one, so I'll switch him out. And I'll put him over here on the back where it doesn't show, where he got some cream on him. But look how pretty this is. And I would serve them with, you know, a long teaspoon. Like that. And I promise everybody will love this. And I think after it sits a little while, it'll even be better. You know, like banana pudding. This really reminds me of the custard part of Nacho Mama's banana pudding.
It does.
Uh-huh. So, now I can taste this. I'm still waiting on some other stuff to cool, but tastes like goodness. Perfect, no fuss. You know, how long does that take? Longest part is refrigerating it. So loving Best Dishes, y'all. Hey, y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and Best Dishes, y'all.